Hello everyone! Today we bring you beautiful scenes of people wearing kimono. We hope this video conveys even a little of the charm and profound beauty of Japan's traditional garment, the kimono. May this video spark your interest in Japanese culture. Please enjoy the world of kimono. Correction. Towels and corrective pads are used to smooth the body's unevenness and create a gentle silhouette. Put on kimono underwear. There are two types of underwear for kimono separates and one-piece underwear. Kimono underwear is secured with a chest strap. Neatly trim the length of the underwear. It is important to keep it clean and tidy here. If it is not neatly arranged, you will not be able to wear a kimono beautifully. After adjusting the underwear, secure the underwear with an obi-thick string. Put on a kimono. Place the kimono over your shoulders and align the center of the back with the center of your body. Right side down, left side up. Tie a string around your waist to hold the kimono in place. Adjust the length of the kimono according to your body shape. Matching the length of the kimono to your body. Shape is the key to wearing a kimono beautifully. After adjusting the length of the kimono, secure it with the chest strap. Attach obi board. Obi board is used to beautifully arrange the dressing, but it may not be used. Fasten the kimono with an obi, wrapped around the waist and tied over the kimono. It prevents the kimono from falling apart and creates a beautiful figure. The pattern and color of the obi, as well as the way it is knotted, can make the entire kimono look tighter, more elegant and more glamorous. Wear an obi-ajiya decorative cloth for obi. It is used to hold the obi in place, but it also serves to make the kimono look beautiful, gorgeous and elegant. There are various ways to tie a kimono obi, depending on the kimono to be worn, the occasion, and the type of obi. Put a decoration on an obi to stabilize the obi and make it look even more glamorous. Accessories are used to accentuate the coordination and add glamour. Final confirmation. Make sure the kimono is properly lengthened and in place. Hairstyling. When wearing a kimono, it is a good idea to change your hairstyle to make it look more beautiful. The basic hairstyle for wearing a kimono is an updo. The most important thing to keep in mind when doing hair and makeup is to avoid flashy hairstyles and makeup, so as not to detract from the kimono and to keep a natural and elegant style that goes well with the kimono. Your kimono dressing is now complete. Enjoy the elegance of traditional Japan and have a wonderful time.